Hey folks, I'm Doug Hensley, president of Hertz Real Estate Services, and I'm coming to you today with our February 2026 Farmland Market update. This is my first update of the year, and 2026 is already off to the races. We recently published our winter edition of the Hertz Outlook newsletter. Many of you may have already seen it in your mailbox or on our website. In the main article of the newsletter, I talked about how the farm economy is uncomfortable, but not necessarily painful. That may seem like I'm splitting hairs, and I am, especially knowing that few farming operations made meaningful profits in 2025, which was a second consecutive year of really tight margins at the farm level. But the reality in our farmland markets across recent months is that neither farmland values or farmland rents have shown much weakness. In fact, in some cases, we've seen some surprising strength. And in a low commodity price, low profit environment, this is surprising to many, but for a handful of reasons. One being tight land for sale supplies. Two being deep equity reserves for many farming operations. Three, strength in farming businesses that are diversified with livestock, especially cattle. And four, government intervention in the form of direct payments in 2025 and now again here in early 2026. Both the land sales and rental markets have proven resilient for those reasons. I've had lenders tell me there are some individual operations with some liquidity and cash flow issues, and they are working to tidy things up going into spring planting. But at this time, no real widespread financial trouble seems to be brewing. These lenders have also commented that until guys start giving up rented land because of an unwillingness or inability to pay, most are finding a way to manage through it. It's not the fun part of the ag business cycle, but we generally see this movie every 7 to 10 years, and looking back at historical patterns, most have a belief that things can and will get better. And this is often the time when many landowners position to take advantage of the next uptrend in a cycle. I want to say, barring widespread problems this spring, the forecast for higher commodity prices and higher profits is not very strong. Worldwide, there's just too many bushels of both corn and soybeans available, which is keeping a lid on our primary commodity markets. But I also want to say the land market has maintained a balance with a still low supply of farms for sale. There's enough demand and competition for that land to maintain prices. And until supply, demand, or both change, I think we will continue to see things chop sideways. Here at Hertz, we have a couple of dozen farms set for public auction and or sealed bid sale between now and mid-March, along with a number of farms listed for sale and available all across the Midwest. Here in February, we're also hitting the road and will be in Florida, Arizona, and California between now and month end with our landowner education seminars. If you want to get a full update on all that's happening in agriculture, these are great events to attend. You'll get to hear from me and a small team of our farmland professionals. We'll feed you really well, and you'll have the chance to rub elbows and visit with other farmland owners. You can sign up at our website, hertz.ag, or you can call our office at 800-593-LAND. We hope to see you at one of those, and if not, you'll see me back here next month with another update video in your inbox. Take care, folks.